Hi, today in front of me Realme 10 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and here if you want to add or remove some of these options or just to change the positions of the icons here, you should click to this edit icon. And now we can add the new options just by click on the screen pluses. Just let's for example adjust the storage, screencasts, the keyboard. So if you want, you can add all of these options here. Just to remove some of them by the same way, click on these minuses on the left upper or right upper corner of each of the icon. And just to change the positions of the icons, you should hold and just drag it. Just click here to go back if you want to change their positions and just to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.